Mediclaim will cover facilities unavailable in GMC through private hospitals, assures Health Minister. Digambar Kamath assures legal support to traditional fishermen who have been served demolition notices under CRZ. And it's Wine and Dine. Wine Festival kicks off in Panji. Now the news in detail. Kalangut MLA Agnello Fernandes has once again held Goa police responsible for failing to control law and order in his constituency. In a startling revelation, Agnello alleged that police are not just spectators to the activities of drug dealers, but are also getting brutally beaten up by the drug mafia. But Home Minister claimed that these allegations are baseless and police are acting tough with the mafia.
Monies are there. You're going and stopping some at the temple festival. Somebody plays Godgodo, you're arresting them. Drug dealers walking freely on that street in Baga. Speaker, what is happening? Please take strict action on this. You're not serious about this drug controlling the drug menace. There are places where your police are scared to go. In Kalangut, in the open, when the public are there, they're assaulting your sub-inspectors. In Anjuna, Vagadaru, there are places where you cannot enter. Police cannot enter. Very shortly, time will come where we will not be able to walk freely. Home Minister will not be able to go there. Even a police person will not be enough to go and tackle the crime.
Speaker sir, लोकांक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आनी एक इश्यू कसलो आनी खंयच्यान व्हरपाक सोदता ते आमकांय खबर आसा. हे सगळे तशे कांदोली कालांगूट खबर आसा आनी काही माननीय आमदारी बी काही भितरल्यान म्हाका एनकरेज करता आनी करचे न्हू. हे हांव जाणा खंयचे कित्याक लागून करता, कोण करता आनी कित्याक इश्यू काडटा अननेसरी. हांव खबर आसा म्हाका सगळें आनी आमकां सांगपाची गरज ना. पण एक्शन पुलीस घेतात आनी पुलीस एक्शन घेता म्हणून एकदां चड जाता. पुलिसाचे एक्शनूय घेवपाक एकदां दिनात आमकां तेवूय बी खबर आसता. कोण हो मनीस जो आसा आमचो माननीय आमदार तो शिरोडकार कोण म्हणटा ताका होच घेवन भायर येता परतो परतो जंगला आसतालो तो दिसभर आनी त्या म्हाका वळखना ताजी म्हाका सोयऱ्याची कांय संबंद ना कांय ना. तो म्हणटा टेप करता दी पुलिसेक विल मेक इन्क्वायरी. कित्याक करची ना आमी करता दी सगळे कोण प्रोस्टिट्यूशन सापडला कोण आनी गेला कोण गुंडगिरी सापडला सगळे घाली भितर तुमी सपोर्ट करा हांगा. येस आय विल टेक एक्शन सपोर्ट हांगा सगळ्या मंत्री आनी आमदार सांगात. वाय नॉट वी कॅन अरेस्ट एवरीबॉडी. इवन आमी वचून कोणी क्रायम करता डेफिनेटली सगळ्यांक करपाक जाय. पण हांगा क्रायम करता सोडपाचें काय ना आनी इश्यू करपाचो ना हांगसर एक्शन सगळें तरी जाता. पूण आमी बी समजुपाक जाय कॉम्प्रोमायज हांवें फाटल्या कॉम्प्रोमायज करपाक मिनिस्टर MLA आर फ्री. कॉम्प्रोमायज करात कोणें बरें जाता गांव झगडी जाता ती मिटोवपाक जाय. पण क्रिमिनल जे आसा क्रिमिनल तांकां शेल्टर दिवपाक जायना. आनी अशें कितें एविडन्स आसा दी हांव धाडटा SP एक्शन घेवपाक लावया. अशी कशें कोणाची म्हणजे डायवर्ट करपाची कोणें प्रयत्न करचे न्हू.
Finally, Forest Minister Philip Neri Rodriguez answered his earlier postponed questions on Friday. As expected, Philip Neri Rodriguez came under severe criticism for opposition on Friday for not taking enough action on illegal mining in the forest land. Forest Minister later stated that they would take help of Police Department besides Forest Conservation Act to book the offenders.
After the last Assembly deliberations, government had appointed this monitoring committee headed by Chief Conservator of Forest, and I vouch that Chief Conservator of Forest is a good officer. They have been asked to visit each and every mine, whether it is
what problem is you mine
no, including all the forest areas wherever they have got complaints, wherever there are some suspects, check up each and everything and take whatever deemed actions they fit.
We pointed out in one of the House committee 2 officers who have been there for 12 years who are indulging in all this illegality. The committee and the chief conservator has shown his helplessness in transferring the officer. I complained to the minister, he showed his helplessness. Bidri Munudo asa pade tane itlo na Bidri no bidi sorry bidi Munudo asa pade cigarette nahi bidi talk तो बिडी हांगा गेल्या 12 वर्सां काय 10 वर्सां ठाण मारून बसला आनी 1 आनी 2 न्हय. I showed you at least about 7-8 illegalities.
I can assure the transfer of Mr. BD I will propose to the Honorable Chief Minister. But in case of any serious cases henceforth in future, definitely if it attracts theft, I will refer to the police to take necessary action.
Besides Forest Conservation Act.
See, we will take care of
Your department
in addition to that.
through your act plus
In
police
addition to
complaint
that,
should be lodged for
in
government
addition to
property
Forest Conservation
stealing.
Act or Indian Forest Act, we can refer to the police.
Philip Neri was also criticized by opposition for department's inaction on forest encroachments. Manohar Parrikar later alleged that forest officers are bluntly violating the Forest Conservation Act and demanded their removal. Philip Neri later assured the House that his department would look into the cases of encroachment and take necessary action.
I want to know the last column in that reply, whether minister stands by that reply. It says the machinery impounded wheel loader GA02Z6115 was released after compounding. Case booked wide RFO 6/2006 dated 16/107 for illegal mining activity in government forest under 11/1 at measuring area of 1 hectare of Sulkarne village of Sri Damu Naik, seized wheel loader. The case is booked against Sri Suresh Kumar, mine manager. The case is compounded while so and so dated 36/2008. So the compounding was done on 36/2008. Whereas the 15/1/2007, the date when the offence was registered, indicates that a wheel loader has been already released. What is correct?
There are a lot of things which has been hushed up. I don't know whether it is because of political pressure. And for last 4 years, I was surprised to see also there are certain cases which are not taken seriously.
It is not released after compounding. Here is a paper. It is released on the same day at 4:30, within 1 hour. Wheel loader, illegal mining in 1 hectare area of a forest land. You are releasing the wheel loader. What is the worth of wheel loader approximately?
I don't have knowledge, but in this case of Damu Naik, 1 hectare Achirami I have compounded with an amount of 19 lakhs.
Opposition on Friday demanded to the government for curtailing expenditure on IFFI and other festivals to fund the medical needs of the poor. Later replying to the questions, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane informed the House that total 6 crore rupees are required to meet the Mediclaim facilities of the state.
म्हाका जाणून घेवपा जाय कितकी शॉर्टेज आहा फंडाची मेडिक्लेमाक. What is the quantum of the shortage?
Because of the period, the number of cases also have increased, and due to which there is outstanding at the moment of approximately 4 crores and odd, which is going to be released sometime this month. There is another in process about approximately, apart from these 4 crores, another 2 crores which have been processed but not put up, in the process of being put up. So totally we will require about 6 crores for clearing all the Mediclaim cases.
गरजेवंत लोकांक मेडिक्लेम पयलीं गावपा जाय. 6 म्हयने 8 म्हयने मेडिक्लेम दिवपाक लागता. कारण पैसे ना सरकारा कडेन. जेन्ना मेडिकल कॉलेजीन सुविधा ना, व्हेंटिलेटर ना, खूब कडेन तुजे डॉक्टर पेशंटाक बरोवन दिना आमचे कडेन सुविधा ना म्हणून. पेशंट ताकतीन म्हणजे गरजेक प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलान वयता आनी त्रासान पडटा. म्हयन्यांनी व्हेंटिलेटराचेर दवरचे पडटा, पेशंटा कडेन पयशे नासता म्हूण तसले केसींनी परत मेडिक्लेमाक मंत्र्या कडेन येता आनी तेन्ना विचार येता तुका थंय धाडलेलो कोणें.
We have already told the doctors that in such emergencies, because government has already relaxed, utilization as far as ventilators is concerned for small children, that's why I was mentioning, small children also this used to be the problem, this is already being reimbursed under Mediclaim. And we have told them that if there is a provision, a doctor will ensure that he shifts the patient properly to that other place if there is a shortage. Because any such cases have been brought to my notice where we have under relaxation, we have released the money to the patients because on humanitarian grounds. Because Honorable Member, what he's saying is sometimes the doctors in GMC don't want to take the responsibility to sign off the patient to some other clinic.
There should be somebody responsible to give that paper to
सर
him that he can
चड करून अनपढ लोक येतात थंयसर तेंचे कडेन इन्फ्लुएन्स काय नासता तांकां काय खबर नासता म्हणून गरजेक ते धांवतात प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलान.
No, I can assure the Honorable Member Speaker, sir, that we'll put the medical superintendent in charge.
Exactly, somebody has to be
this, and we
responsible.
shall move the note. I'll get the note approved immediately and ensure that this is taken care of. on priority. So that
If he just notes
Something
it,
in
that he's
writing
been
has
asked
to be
so we'll
there.
have specific officers in North Goa, South Goa and in GMC to see that they sign off, and it will be their responsibility if anything happens related to mediclaim of a patient where it's not reimbursed.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.